Ishu, and welcome to the IIJS virtual platform powered by GIA. Good to see you in Dubai.
Same
Happy
here.
New Year to you and to your family.
Happy New Year to you, my friend.
So, Ishu, how has been the season for you in the last quarter after the lockdown got over? And how has been the year going on till now?
We do our number crunching on a month-to-month basis, and we monitor our, you know, the footfalls, the sales, the conversions, all those things. So between you and me, we've had a very gradual upswing. When we started in June, we barely did 5% of sales compared to the sales of last year, June. July, August, September, gradually the sales went up. By September, we had reached about 18% as compared to September of 19. October, we did 30%. And November, between the 1st and the 15th, which was 2 weeks of November, we actually did as much or slightly more than last year. So it has been a very gradual upswing, but by November, we had reached our, so-called normal as compared to last year. Post-November, we again saw a little bit of slowdown because I guess people after Diwali kind of cooled off, and then December mid onwards, a lot of people were traveling. The kind of customers we have, although there were only 3 destinations open, Goa, Maldives and Dubai, people do travel. And the last week, we kind of saw that sales did soften up a little bit compared to our normal December. But since the 1st of Jan, we can see movement again. Today has been a good day. I just got a report. So we are hopeful that, things will open up because the fear factor is definitely decreasing. The vaccines have been approved. Gradually, the rollout will start. So I think, this the fear psychosis is the most important factor. Ultimately, sales happen only based on sentiment. It's not just the money in the pocket. It's the thought process that's important. So I definitely feel going forward, things will get better. There's no question in my mind.
And Ishu, IIJS Virtual started because there was no physical show possible in 2020. And it happened, the first edition happened in October before Navratri. And now the second edition is going to happen from 8th of Jan. So what is your view on that? And what is your advice to manufacturers? What kind of jewelry they should be making now for the coming season?
So it is so much easier and convenient and quicker to look at the products and shortlist it. So we've been doing that. My staff has been, having their virtual meetings and shortlisting the products. But the final approval or the final confirmation, we like to do only after looking at the product. And since we're in Bombay, that's so much more convenient because, for us, it's not only the look, but the feel, the flexibility, the thinness of the product. So, which, I'm old school in that. Over here, it's convenient. You're sitting on your desk and, one after the other, you're meeting people. So, yes, there are a lot of pros and a few cons, yeah. The mantra of Anmol always is that, whatever you do, the design element has to be something new. So now, obviously, the client, if the client is revisiting your shop after 2 months or 3 months, they want to see something different and unusual. But sometimes what happens is the manufacturers, just because they want to do something unusual, it tends to get sometimes either too fancy, like over fancy and things like that. I feel personally, that's not important. I feel what is important is, even if it's simple, there has to be that touch. There's a difference in the treatment, in the finish, in the workmanship. When my client comes in and sees that product, that he should not get that same product anywhere else. The uniqueness of the product is very important. So I guess even manufacturers have to take care of that. The fact that the product is different, unusual, and well finished. And even if they're working with more people in a particular city, to make sure that there is no overlapping of products, because then you're diluting your own product. If it's available at 2 places, the uniqueness goes away, the exclusiveness goes away. So that is very important. That is key. That the uniqueness is preserved and the exclusiveness is kind of safeguarded.
Finally, Ishu, how do you see the next 6 months? What do you think, business will be like from Jan to July?
I feel business will gradually pick up from Jan to July, but I feel post July until the end of the year, business will be even better. The pent up demand that we've been talking about, we will definitely see that, and see that with a vengeance, in my opinion, because post June, July, where most of the world will be vaccinated, and even if the whole population is not vaccinated, even if 40, 50, 60% of the population is vaccinated, the herd immunity will kick in, and that's when people will, feel free to, go out and travel. And because you've been confined for a year and a half, suddenly when you get that freedom, people, I think, will even go berserk. So I predict a fantastic 2021.
Thank you very much. That's such a positive note. I like the word. They'll go berserk, and revenge buying will happen in a big way.
Absolutely.
So all the best. Thank you very much, Ishu. Thanks a lot for your time.